Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of costumes with a spotlight on an exceptional item that has taken the superhero universe by storm. If you're on the lookout for the perfect cape to enhance your costume experience, you've come to the right place. Introducing the DONGYICS Unisex Adults DIY Cape Superhero Costume, the best short black cape on the market. The DONGYICS cape stands out not only for its stylish design but also for its versatility and quality. Made from 100% polyester, this cape features a high-quality satin fabric that provides both durability and a beautiful sheen, perfect for any superhero-themed event. Whether it's Halloween, a birthday party, or a school program, this cape is designed to make you feel like a true superhero. Available in a range of sizes, from small to extra large, the DONGYICS cape fits a wide variety of body types, accommodating heights from 4 feet 9 inches to over 6 feet 2 inches. It's important to check the size chart to find your perfect fit, ensuring you can wear it comfortably throughout any event. Plus, it comes with a drawstring closure that allows for easy adjustments, making it user-friendly for everyone. One of the most appealing aspects of this cape is its simplistic yet striking design. The black color is classic and can easily be paired with various costumes, allowing for endless creativity. But if black isn't your style, you'll be pleased to know that it's available in multiple colors, including vibrant shades like red, blue, and green, enabling you to mix and match to suit your preferences. Moreover, the cape's design encourages personalization. Whether you want to add your name, a favorite superhero emblem, or any artistic touches, the satin fabric serves as a perfect canvas for your imagination. This feature not only makes it great for adults but also for kids who love to get creative with their costumes. This cape isn't just limited to Halloween. Its versatility makes it suitable for various occasions. Think about it: Superhero Day at school, themed parties, cosplay events, or even theatrical performances. With this cape, you can embody your favorite superhero or create an entirely new persona. It's also a fantastic gift for friends and family who enjoy dressing up or are big fans of superheroes. To maintain its quality and vibrant colors, the cape requires simple care. It's recommended to hand wash it only, ensuring the fabric stays in pristine condition for years to come. With proper care, your DONGYICS cape will be ready for action whenever you need it. In conclusion, the DONGYICS Unisex Adults DIY Cape Superhero Costume is more than just a cape. It's a ticket to unleash your creativity and embody your favorite characters. Its high-quality materials, versatile design, and endless personalization options make it the best short black cape available today. Whether you're dressing up for a fun event or looking to enhance your costume collection, this cape is sure to impress. So, if you're ready to make a statement and stand out in any crowd, head over to the link in the description to grab your own DONGYICS cape. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay super.